Here I have VIVO V23, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So firstly you have to go to the Play Store, then tap here, go to the Manage Apps and Device, and here you can see updates available. So here you can see all of your unupdated apps. By tapping update button next to them you can update them one by one, or just tap update all and update these all apps at once. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.